Hi there and welcome back to the pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and I'm here to help you with the 44 English sounds. Today we're on sound number 7 and that's the F sound. That sound again? F. Now the sound F can be found in lots of different words, just like that one. Found, also foot and fur. It's also a little bit of a tricky one because it can be spelt with the 2 other letters, a P and a H, making a F sound. So words like photo or photograph have the P and the H, which makes a F. Don't worry about that though, we'll come back to that in later episodes. For now, let's focus on those 3 words. Found, foot and fur. Now the sound F is described as an unvoiced and consonant. It's also known as a labiodental fricative. Wow, what's a labiodental fricative? Another really strange term, but don't be put off, it's really easy. Labiodental fricative basically means that we block the air with certain parts of the mouth as we create high pressure behind it and force it out. In this case, it is the top of the bottom lip and the teeth. So the teeth go down and rest on that bottom lip, creating that block, and we create high air behind there and push it open like so. F. F. And those words again? Found, foot and fur. Now the words found, foot and fur all have the sound F at the beginning. Words like offer and after have the F sound in the middle. Words like off and scruff have the F sound at the end. Can you think of any more words? Those are just a few, but I'm sure you can think of many more. That's it for today's episode, and I'll see you next time for another new sound.